Hi, I'm attorney Stephen Burroughs, and I, along with my law partner Brian Capps, wanted to take a moment to introduce ourselves and tell you a little bit about our background. I was born in South Mississippi into a family that had very little to rely upon other than each other to make it through the day. But those early lessons taught me a lot about hard work, persistence, and working together as a team toward common goals. After I graduated from high school, I went on to join the United States military. And during my service there in the military, I learned a lot more about those values. I applied those same values toward the pursuit of my education, and ultimately, I obtained my law degree from the University of Tennessee in 1999. During that same year, I formed this firm, and before I even had a sign on the door or furniture in the office, I had my first personal injury case. I've been helping injured people obtain a good result in their case ever since. When I'm not helping my injured clients, I enjoy spending time with my family. I've been married for over 25 years, and we have two wonderful daughters. Together as a family, we enjoy spending time outside, hiking, biking, camping, and working in our garden. Brian?
I'm Brian Capps, and I was born and raised in Tennessee. Like Stephen, my family and I didn't have a whole lot growing up, but we had what we needed. My parents and grandparents all worked very hard to make sure that the family was provided for. They were auto mechanics, retail workers, nurses, and welders. They taught me the most critical lessons in life that I've carried into my practice: a hard work ethic, honesty, humility, education, and most importantly, helping others. Just before I graduated high school and prepared to go to college, my dad was injured on the job. He had a severe injury to his low back, and there was no way that he could continue to work. I still remember to this day watching the fear and the anxiety of my mother and my father, knowing that he would not be able to go to work. They didn't know how they were going to pay for college. They didn't know how they were going to pay for the house payment the next month. The only reason that we got through that situation back then was because of a personal injury attorney who helped my family get through that hard time. If it hadn't been for that lawyer then, I'm not sure how things would have come out. I was on the fence about what I was going to do with my life up until that point, but I decided at that time that I wanted to go to law school and be an attorney. I had no idea at the time that meeting Stephen in law school and developing a close friendship would lead to the successful partnership that we have today. One reason our practice works is because Stephen and I have such similar interests in and outside the practice of law. I also have a beautiful wife of more than 15 years, and we have two wonderful daughters. Like Stephen, we love to travel every chance we get, and we spend as much time as we can in the outdoors, whether it be the mountains or at the lake.
We appreciate you taking the time to learn about our team here at the Law Office of Burroughs and Capps, and we look forward to the possibility of helping you achieve a great result in your case.